Hi guys, here are the answers to your revision questions for your starter today. So question 73, we have simplify 6xy cubed over 8x to the power of 4y squared. So this is really just an indices question. So if you're going to take this in steps to simplify, the first thing we would do is look at the whole numbers. So you've got 6, you've got 8. So if we divide the top and bottom of this both by 2 first, so that's going to first of all give us 3xy cubed over 4x to the power of 4y squared. Then let's look at the x terms. We have an x on the top and we have an x to the power of 4 on the bottom. So we could divide both the top and bottom by x because there's at least one x on the top and there's more than one x on the bottom. So that would give us 3y cubed on the top and 4x to the power of 3y squared on the bottom. The last thing to do, we look at the y's. You've got y cubed on the top, you've got y squared on the bottom, so we can divide them both by y squared because they both have at least a y2 in them. So the top line will become 3y and the bottom line will become 4x cubed. And that's your question completed there. That's that fully simplified. Question 74, we have an algebraic fractions and it's an add. So your method for adding is smile and a kiss. So if we multiply the bottoms together. Now remember with algebraic fractions, if you have a bracket on the bottom, you don't have to expand it out. So x bracket x minus 2 on the bottom of each one is fine. You don't have to break that bracket out. Then we'll do top left for the cross part first. So top left times bottom right. So 2 bracket x minus 2. And then the other two multiplied 4 times x, just 4x I'm going to write. And then we can combine. So the top line, if we break out the bracket, you must break your brackets out on the top of your algebraic fractions, just not the bottom. So the top will become 2x minus 4. And then you've got that plus 4x. All of that over x bracket x minus 2. And then you can tidy that up one step further. You can collect your like terms on the top line. So 2x plus that 4x would be 6x. And then we have minus 4 over x bracket x minus 2. The last question in the set today is a trig equation. So we have solved the equation 11 cos x minus 2 equals 3. So the first thing we would do is we would add 2 to both sides. So we're going to get 11 cos x equals 5 and then divide both sides by 11. So cos x equals 5 over 11. Then we're going to find our related angles, our value for x. So x equals inverse cos of 5 over 11. And your calculator will give you as an answer. I'm going to go for the nearest whole angle, so 63. And then you need to check your CAST diagram for your second answer. So CAST. The line that says cos x equals 5 over 11 is where we're going to look at here. So that's a positive number, 5 over 11. So we're going to tick the two sections where cos is positive. So your first answer will be the answer that we've got for x. That's your answer for your A quadrant. In the C quadrant, it's 360 minus x. So 360 minus 63 is 297. So your two answers, just always state those at the bottom, 63 degrees and 297 degrees.